Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Now, Terra Classic hitting 50 cents this 2023. Is it getting possible? What are the plans they have for 2023? Remember, Binance founder CZ is not selling, he's not giving up on Terra Classic, and Terra Classic will be gaining more partners this year 2023. Now, Coinbase are also getting interest on Terra Classic, and then talk about Binance. Binance have been showing great support for Terra Classic. Even Binance founder CZ is also really showing a lot of support for Terra Classic, and we are hoping that the burning of Terra Classic is going to increase this year. Last year they burned over 36 billion coins within the space of 3 months. I'm expecting Terra Classic to burn trillions this year. Well, the 1.2% tax bond didn't burn much last year, and we believe this year is going to be one of the best year for Terra Classic. Now, hitting 50 cents this year, of course, is possible. Remember last year, we believe Terra Classic was going to hit 1 cent. A lot of people have been predicted that this coin can even hit $1 in this 2023. But I think for Terra Classic to hit 50 cents this year, they need to work on, most importantly, they need to work on the burning of Terra Classic, and they also need to get some top exchanges like Coinbase to list Terra Classic, and also need Robinhood to also partner with Terra Classic. Now, Binance are really showing great support. I believe, of course, Terra Classic can pump up to $1 this year. It all depends on how the developers really planned on how to get that successful. And don't forget Bitcoin, because if BTC start pumping right now, you will see many other coins will start pumping. So BTC always control most of these coins. So if this year is going to be a successful year for Bitcoin, definitely Terra Classic is also going to be successful. But most importantly, depend on how the developers planned and work towards getting this coin to get more popular, more partnership to destroy Terra Classic supply. These are things they need to do this year. But hitting 50 cents is possible, and with the way things are going, definitely Terra Classic is going to pump very soon. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.